Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Jasseem Laser Pen, whether it's legit or a scam. Now, quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you ask me how I do this research so fast, so I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. So, the Jassim laser pen is advertised as a portable red light therapy tool. It's supposed to use low level laser therapy to reduce pain and speed up healing. The product page makes it sound super legit with fancy terms and wellness buzzwords. But here's the problem. When you check out Reddit, especially the Scam Finder thread, people are not impressed. A lot of buyers say it's just a cheap laser pointer with no real effect. Some say it doesn't get warm, feels flimsy, and doesn't do anything noticeable. There are no solid reviews from real medical pros, no real clinical studies linked to this specific device, and honestly, it looks more like a dropship product than a real therapeutic tool. So, is the Jassim laser pen worth it? Honestly, probably not. Red light therapy can be helpful, but this pen doesn't seem to deliver those results. If you're hoping for a pain relief or actual healing, this isn't it. Tried it yourself? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more honest reviews with no sugarcoating, hit that like and subscribe. See you in the next one.